our 90-inch 3-compartment sink with faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 90 inches and a depth of 23.5 inches. Height of 43 inches. Height minus the splash will be 36 inches tall. 3 compartments, with each compartment measuring 18 inches in length, also 18 inches in depth, and a height of 12 inches. Measurements apply for the first, middle, and third bay. Left and right drain boards, with each drain board measuring 16 inches in length by 19 inches in depth. Measures apply for the left and right drain board. Included for each compartment be the strainer and stop, along with the faucet. Measurements for the left and right mount will be 9 inches, and the swivel head spout will measure at least 12 inches. Located on the top left corner will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.